questions, Dada. Dada, आ जाओ दादा. The first question is to Dada.
11:30 बजे थे, कोई बारिश का सीन था, एक प्लास्टिक का कुछ हाथ में डब्बा था उसके, और दोनों जन गाना गा के सुना रहे थे मेरे को. कौन सा गाना था बोलो?
कान के नीचे बजा डालूंगा.
ये गाना सुना वाला बहुत भारी है बेड़ो, तुम लोग निकल जाएंगे, बहुत जल्दी निकलने वाले. तो मेरा मुंह देख रहा है, बोले काम वाम देने रहा, बोले निकल जाएंगे, यहाँ से निकल जाओगे. तो बस माशाल्लाह तुम लोगों ने वो बोला था, वो रात थी, वो बहुत साल हो गए.
आपकी मीटिंग भी एक गाने पे ही हुई थी.
नहीं, ये फोटो लेके आया था मेरे घर.
नहीं, मैं गाना गाया था. टाइगर टाइगर बर्निंग ब्राइट इन द फॉरेस्ट ऑफ द नाइट.
ये आया था मेरे पास, फोटो लेके आया था मेरा. Jayesh said used to do some photo shoots then. I mean, he still does it. Baba used to be there. And एक दिन मेरे घर पे भाई मेरे फोटो लेके आया था दिखाने के लिए कि ये आपका फोटो. और आज बाबा आज मेरे को दे रहे थे गोली.
गोली नहीं दे रहे. Okay. Anybody have any questions?
Hi. First of all, congratulations. बहुत बेहतरीन ट्रेलर है, ताबड़तोड़ मजा आया बहुत आपके राइट में.
ये माइक पहले
अभिषेक से कि अभिषेक इस पूरे ट्रुप से जुड़ना और इस फ्रेंचाइजी का हिस्सा बनना कैसा रहा और कितना फन आया ओवरऑल, क्योंकि रैप करते हुए भी देखे हम.
रैप तो मुझे पड़ी.
10 सवाल पूछे आपने. आलोक, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. आई वॉज वेरी नर्वस क्योंकि when Sajid Farhad, I'd first worked with them in Bol Bachchan, and they came and said that they wanted to do this, and then Nadiad came and spoke to me. I was nervous because it's the first time मुझे ये एहसास हुआ कि मैं एक और franchise करता हूँ जिसका नाम है Dhoom. And I realize now whenever anybody who joins Dhoom gets very nervous, and they're all like, oh no, we have to live up to the expectations. मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आया कि why are they getting so nervous? It's a fun film. But when I signed on for Houseful, I realized what the expectations are. And it's nerve-wracking, you're going to be shoulder to shoulder two of possibly our best comedic talents that we have in the industry, and you're working on a franchise which is so immensely successful, and you don't want to let them down, you don't want to let down the fans of Houseful, and so it's nervous, you get very nervous, but we all worked very hard. Greatly helped obviously because Sajid Farhad, their writing is so beautiful that you have to do very little. They even write in meter, they tell you how to tell your dialogue. And like I said, you have, Aki Bhaiya and Ritesh who are so brilliant at what they do, they make you look good. To add to it, you have somebody like Mr. Irani, who's my acting coach, and used to sit every night in my room and rehearse with me. And then when you have these three in the frame, nobody's going to be looking at you, so you're happy. So it was a lot of fun, but for me personally, because I was the new one, it was hard work and nerve-wracking, but I had a lot of fun doing it.
And Akshay sir, तीसरी बार
ट्रिक हो जाएगी, मतलब अभी तो पता चलेगा. अब भगवान करे आपके मुंह में डायबिटीज. जरा की. So जी बिल्कुल अच्छा लगेगा कि लोगों को अगर ये हमारी जो तीसरी कोशिश है हाउसफुल की, ताकि क्या बढ़ावा मिलता है, आदमी चौथी जाता है, पांचवी जाता है, कोशिश करता है. बच्चों, मैं इसलिए कह रहा था बच्चों को मत ला.
ये तो ऑडियंस,
Most important audience.
ये ऑडियंस है.
हाँ, लेकिन अभी पिक्चर तो नहीं दिखा रहे हैं. So we'll be looking forward for it, that how the business is, and we cross our fingers that everything goes well.
साजिद सर,
मार्केटिंग टीम इरोस की और एनजी की दोनों ने मिलके बहुत अच्छा काम.
Hi Akshay, over here, speak. How does it feel being back to comedy after so long? You have done so many serious films at a drop.
Well, I feel relieved. I'm actually, 1 year has gone where I've been very tensed about films like Airlift and before that Holiday, and these films I actually felt very relieved, and I feel like मतलब मैं इतना भी हो जाता था कि मैं साजिद फरहाद की बात भी नहीं सुनता था. I just wanted to do something, and but obviously I used to give one take what he wanted and one take what I wanted. So and so it was a lot of fun because Houseful is like that. I would say they all have done what they wanted, and things have just come out. Everybody was allowed to do 2 takes, one what they wanted, one what we wanted, and everything. It has been sorry. So it's been a lot of fun.
And will there be many more housefuls to follow after this? Will there be many more housefuls to follow?
I don't know after he gets a lot of sugar in his mouth, so after that maybe we can.
किया हमेशा
Because you are a good actor.
Your other colleagues also who really want to do, more films actually, in a year. So how are you really able to manage all these things?
Well, it's not rocket science. It's very easy. You just keep on working and you. एक फिल्म मुझे नहीं लगता 60 दिन से ज़्यादा लेनी चाहिए. I think I shot for Houseful for मेरे कितने दिन हुए? 38 days. I finished 38. In 38 days, I finished Houseful. So it's basically everybody comes on time. Everybody, we work hard. We work for. I have worked for 8 hours. They have worked for 10 hours because my contract is like that. So Ritesh is very upset about this.
I'm going to ape your contract next week.
Okay, so and it was very fast and we because actually देखा जाए so मैं पढ़ रहा था इसके बारे में कि कौन सी फिल्म थी वो Mission Impossible. They made the whole film in 52 days. तो हम पता नहीं कौन सी बातें करते हैं 300 दिन 400 दिन की फिल्में जल्दी खत्म हो जाती है 40-50 दिन के अंदर 60 दिन के अंदर मैक्सिमम 70 दिन लगा लो क्या बच्चों की जान लोगे उसके बाद कितनी शूटिंग करोगे
क्योंकि शाहरुख ने भी कहा था कि he'll try to do at least 2 to 3 films in a year. Even Aamir like.
नहीं ये मेरी बात है मेरा इंटरव्यू हो रहा है
You are one of the person who is very conscious. आप एक बहुत अपने pace पे चलते हो. Doing like 4 films. Good for the audience, your fans, for your producers. What have you to say about this also?
I want to make sure my producer
Ask
earns
him if
money.
he's happy about the fact that you're doing 4 films or not, because it doesn't sound very happy.
Sorry.
No, I'm
सवाल पे
really
सवाल
happy.
पूछे 4 फिल्म क्यों करते हो आप ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए
नहीं,
गलत बात है
भैया पहले ये क्लैरिफाई कर देते
Very Abhishek. How are you? How are you feeling?
I'm fine, how are you? But why do you do 4 films a year? It's very wrong. ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए गलत बात है कि भैया ऐसे नहीं
मेरा डायरेक्टर से मेरा इतना बड़ा स्टार कास्ट और लिखा भी आप लोगों ने है तो कैची चलाते वक्त कितनी घबराहट थी क्योंकि सारे स्टार्स हैं सबके डायलॉग्स लिखना और फिर काटना
मेरे ख्याल से आपने अपना जवाब दिया इतने स्टार्स है कैंची कैसे चल सकती है कैंची नहीं चल सकती है स्टार्स ब्राइट है और उसको शाइन करना उसको रखना बरकरार रखता है उसको उसके लिए कैंची की जरूरत नहीं
लेकिन 2.5 घंटे की फिल्म को करने के लिए समेटने के लिए कितना
नहीं आपकी जो स्क्रिप्ट तैयार होती है उस हिसाब से ही फिल्म होती है और स्क्रिप्ट पहले से 2.5 घंटे की थी 2.5 घंटे की शूट हुई एडिट करने का सवाल ही नहीं आता बिकॉज हर फ्रेम में हर सीन में जो चाहिए था वो मिला और सबको पता था
हम लोग वेरी केयरफुली वी हैड केप्ट द एडिटिंग रूम एट अक्षय कुमार हाउस कोई गलती नहीं हो कुछ किसी से कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं
क्योंकि कैची इन लोगों के हाथ में है ही नहीं
No. He does nothing like that. Poor chap. Not at all. No, the great thing about Sajid Farhad being writers as well is actually when the film they narrate with edit cuts and everything. So because they're so good at what they do, their editing is already done, and the film has not. I mean, whatever I've seen of the film, it's exactly what they narrated. So and he doesn't. In fact, ये बढ़ाते हैं. ये dialogue उसको दे दो. He doesn't do anything like that. He's just got a bad reputation.
नहीं ये उन्होंने दिया
कि एक साजिद इस बारी एब्सेंट है थर्ड पार्ट में से साजिद खान
He didn't want to. He was for the third. He was doing Himmatwala, and he thought this is a very difficult genre to write. Also, after some time, even they'll say we don't want to because the genre gets saturated in writing after some time. Very difficult to edit. Very difficult to make a trailer for this film. So usually a writer after 1-2 films starts getting in the saturation mode.
इसका ट्रेलर बनाने के करीबन मेरी शूटिंग डेज है 38 डेज का ट्रेलर बनाने में 40 दिन गए they couldn't understand it how to get the whole thing कि 2.5 मिनट के अंदर इस सारा कुछ दिखाना उसकी स्टोरी लाइन बतानी क्या करना है to get it in the one thing it was quite difficult for them because I remember कितनी बार इन्होंने दिखाया and nothing was working out बताया ना आपको दो टेक किए ना एक हमारे टेक उनका टेक
हमने गुड नाइट I want to congratulate you, sir, for making a fantastic film. This, but I would like to know, sir, Mr. Akshay said. No problem. Mr. Akshay said that he has taken 38 days to complete his shooting. So how long you have taken to complete this movie, sir?
How long have I taken?
65 days.
65.
65 days. And how long you have taken for your planning, sir? When you have completed this film in 65 days, so how many days you have taken the planning that so and so day are we going to complete?
Friends, I ये नहीं कहा था मैथ्स का एग्जाम देने जाना।
Acha sir, tell me something about the heroine. Why anything?
Because you have not asked them a question, sir.
Hey heroines, say something. Huh?
Hi. Hi. So.
कोई तो पूछो।
भाई चाहे मेरी ले लो।
Hi, Nargis and Geeta. My question is to working for the first time in the Houseful franchisee. How was your experience of working with all of them?
I had a blast. This has been, I shouldn't say this because I feel bad for this has been the funniest and the maddest and the coolest film I've ever worked on. So, yeah. And with the coolest people, funniest people, coolest people, warmest people. So, thanks guys for having me. What about comedy?
But Sajid and Farhad are actually, I wanted to add when Abhishek was talking about how talented they are. When I went for the narration, they narrated the entire film from the beginning to the end, and they played every single character. I was amazed. They were like, oh, and then here comes Sajid. So they're
And music, all music. My question is also to Abhishek and Ritesh. You both are working together after Bluffmaster together.
How is it getting back together, D? We keep in touch. So
पर फिर भी कब के बिछड़े यहाँ अब यहाँ हम आके मिले हैं.
it was great. I mean, what was nice is, or Ritesh, we've all worked together. So, I think it's like riding a bicycle. Once you've already worked with somebody, you just pick it up from where you've left off. So it was, I'm very happy I got the opportunity. Not only with Ritesh, but with Akshay, Baman, and all these beautiful ladies. So it was great. I think we picked up where we left off, no, D?
Absolutely. I think I have a great bunch together, and Bomzi and Akshay and all the girls, Jaguda. We had a great time. And Chunky, of course, who can.
Mummy, thank God you remember.
ये सवाल मेरा जग्गू दादा से. जग्गू दादा, अगर आप लेफ्ट से शुरू करके आखिर तक अगर एक्टर्स के बारे में एक लाइन या दो लाइन अगर आप
काम धंधा नहीं
आप तो सुनना है इसलिए
ऊंचा क्या बोलूं भाई. पहली बार मैं जब स्टार ऐसा लगा मेरे बन गया है जब बच्चा था. अभिषेक और सिस्टर दोनों मेरे रूम में आए थे. बच्चन साहब मद्रास चेन्नई में कोरोमंडल ताज. मैं कुछ शूटिंग कर रहा था, मेरा जवाब की, और बच्चन साहब ऊपर रह रहे थे और उन्होंने दो बच्चों को भेजा. तो कोई वहाँ के कैप्टन आके बोले कि दो बच्चे आए, आपका ऑटोग्राफ कौन है? बोले बच्चन साहब का बेटा है. तभी जाके समझ में आया कि अरे यार कुछ बन गया, मैं बच्चन साहब का बेटा.
He's the first person whose autograph I've ever taken in my life. After Hero, I remember. We were so excited. I was very young, and we were big fans of Jagu Dada. We used to all wear that bandana. Dadi to thi nahi, but we used to take all these drumsticks and try and play the flute.
But they were sweetest kids. इतने छोटे दोनों बच्चे थे.
अभी बड़े हो गए ना.
अभी
बैठा हुआ हूँ मैं.
दाढ़ी दिख रहा था विंदा दिख. Mother, I think he's one of the finest. I really like him hell of a lot. He's a great kid. Absence of malice. That is what I like about him. कि किसी के बारे में उल्टा सीधा नहीं, अपना ये जो है वो देख के निकल लेता है और काम बराबर. और काम जब करता है तो सब देखते रह जाते हैं. I work with him in a lot of films. I like him hell of a lot. And well, my Nargis ji, oh man, yeah, she's lovely. I've not interacted much, but क्या बोलूं उनके बारे में. वो खूबसूरत है और बहुत अच्छा काम करती है. हालांकि लैंग्वेज मेरी तरह है, हिंदी बराबर नहीं, इंग्लिश बराबर नहीं, गुजराती बराबर नहीं, मगर बहुत ऊंचा है. मगर जब भी बोलती है तो no, she has the expressions. हाँ, मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ समझ भी नहीं रहा बोलता हूँ, मगर बहुत खूबसूरत की जो भी है प्रेजेंस बहुत भारी है, क्योंकि इन लोगों के सामने टिकना मतलब बहुत ऊंचा बात है. They making a fantastic couple. And this one, she is absolutely we've seen the dance. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, बराबर बोल रहा हूँ. चलते रहेंगे, शाम हो जाएंगी, बाकी लोग से पूछे तो बेटर है, मगर I think she is done a fantastic job. We saw this कलाकार है. मतलब इतना छोटा सा ब्रदर में एक छोटा सा सीन देखा था बाबा का इनके साथ. Girl, fabulous. बाकी ये शाना तो अब क्या बोलूं. इतना superb in the film. I think I used to laugh a lot like this when Chichi Baba was there. Govinda used to do films. These guys are fantastic actors. Where they are serious, they are bloody serious. He's done a villain's job, super. And you, यार तेरा airlift और तेरे बाकी के भी तेरे रुस्तम भी आ रहा है. ये सब बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे हैं. These boys are fantastic. They are talented lot. They are solid lot. I think we have a great team out here. We have great guys. And Bowman Baba तो माँ की आंखें यार. He's the spine of the film. He's fantastic. माशाल्लाह दोनों जन संभाल लिया, समझा बिल्लू. बाकी मेरा जान है वो. एक खूबी भालो इंसान है. बाकी ये जो है बिल्लू, ये मेरे टाइगर को भी लाया, खंबा की तरह खड़ा कर दिया. ये दूसरा पिक्चर भी दिया है. I think Sajid is a great guy. He's a wonderful producer. Always smiling and has done a super job. Not just with us. बहुत सारी पिक्चरें बनाया बाबा ने. चंकी का क्या हो तो वो जब भी आता है कुछ खा के ही जाता है. क्या नहीं क्या खा के जाता वालों नहीं, मतलब सिंह खा के जाता है. He's brilliant. बाकी समझिए, अभी मेरे बारे में ज्यादा बोलेंगे तो पक जाएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.
My question will be, Jackie. I mean, this was a very special one for me because in Houseful 1, I was there doing Dhanno, and then I was cast in Houseful 2, and like that was, I was, shut up, actually. And then I was there in Houseful 2, and that was like a huge thing for me. And now we.
No, that's not fair. No. No.
This is what always happens. But he does this in the scene as well, by the way. So it's as much as it's amazing working with Akshay, and you learn so much because of his comic timing. It's also very painful. But yeah, now being part of Houseful 3, I mean, just to be there from the beginning of the franchise and to see it grow, and to see like the addition of like different cast members and stuff. It's just been such an amazing ride, and to work with like two fantastic directors who really guided us through. I mean. With the girls as well, we're pretty new to comedy, I think, and but like we had such a great time doing, comedy because we were under your great guidance, and we were, acting alongside such amazing actors who know comedy so well. So it really kind of boosted our confidence and, helped us. So thank you, to Houseful 3, and yeah, thank you.
अगली बार कोशिश करके हम इतनी बातें नहीं करेंगे. बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोगों का. I hope you guys have enjoyed this evening. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
मोबाइल वाले